a part of what the users would want, first thing, and what do you want the users to use. That's the second point. So users will want something which is very naive to them, and they might not be very clear on what they want. And so it's a mix of basically you pushing 70% of the what the users want, and you put 30% scope for your own experimentation sake, so that you try to develop new habits. So there is a very good example which we have from the past historical books, and also there was a guy called his name was Ford, and he was the founder of the Ford Motor Company, the first company which used to mass produce cars. So he went on a survey for his users, potential users, and he asked them what do they want, like to commute faster and all. So they told, because people used to ride on horses in those days. So he told, okay, we want faster horses, even faster horses. Something can be changed in the diet so that the horses can run even faster. Nobody thought of a car as a solution. So all those research and all those expenses were futile for that guy. So similarly, I would say the users will say very naive things a lot of times, and they would be very shallow-minded sometimes. So you have to strike a balance in terms of what they would want and what you would want them to adopt eventually in the future. You need to look at, let's say, 5 years or 10 years down the line, and you don't want your users to suddenly adopt some new app because they think, okay, this is a old stale app and let's not use it. This is an innovative app. So always strike a balance. Always try to strike a balance in what users want, and always keep some room for experimentation. Some 20-30% of the features that you're delivering. Experimental approach is good. It puts in a lot of learning for you also for your future.